Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Talia and today I'm going to be showing you this super quick makeup look and it should only take you about 5 minutes. It's so great. I think this look is so easy and it's just the perfect look for when you're in a rush and you want to throw on a little bit of makeup. I'm in college, so I feel like I'm always rushing to get to wherever I'm going, so I'll always pop on this look and I think it makes me look so much more awake and just put together, so I really love it. If you guys want to see how I did it, then make sure you keep watching. Alright, so as you can tell, I already put on my brows. Some people don't do their brows, some people do. I always do my brows when I'm putting on any makeup, so for the sake of this video, I just put them on already, and the rest of the look is the 5-minute quick makeup look. The first product that I use when I'm doing a quick makeup look is this product here by Dr. Jart. Honestly, I don't know how to pronounce it. I think it's called Cicapair, but it's a tiger grass color correcting treatment, and it is this green color and it looks really gross, but when you put it on your face, it'll blend out into your skin color and it'll color correct any red spots. You can put it over any blemishes. Not only is it just color correcting, but it also will help heal any blemishes or zits a little faster than they would on their own. So I just take this product with my hands and I'll blend it in wherever I think I need it. And just so you know, a little bit goes a long way, so start with just a little bit at a time. Now that I have color corrected my skin tone a bit, I'm just going to go ahead and go in with concealer wherever I think I need it. I'm going to put more on than I normally would because I'm not putting foundation on. So I'm just using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind and I'm going to put this wherever I think I need it. And then I'm just going to blend that out with my beauty blender. Now I'm just going to pop a tiny bit of concealer under my eyes just to cover up a little bit of the grayness that I have. I'm using the NYX HD Studio Concealer, and like I said, I'm just going to put the littlest amount under my eyes and blend that out with my beauty blender. Just to make sure that that concealer doesn't crease at all, I'm going to pop on a little bit of powder to set that real quick. The next thing I do for this quick makeup routine is use a cream highlight, and I'm using one by Clinique. It is the Sculpting Highlight Chubby Stick. So what I'm going to do is take this Chubby Stick and just rub it right onto my beauty blender, and then I'll blend that onto my face where I want my highlight. I think doing it this way makes it a lot more natural and it blends into your skin a lot easier. You can also just rub this Chubby Stick on your finger and blend it onto your face that way, and the highlight will be a little more blinding if you do it like this. And then just to give my face a little more color, I'm taking the Hoola bronzer by Benefit and I'm going to pop just a little bit of bronzer on my face. Finally, I'm just going to pop on some mascara. I'm using the Voluminous Butterfly Mascara today by L'Oreal. So I'm just going to put that on. And now the final step to this makeup routine is just spraying your face with some kind of setting spray. I'm using the Badescu Rosewater spray, and I'm just going to put this all over my face. That spray is just so refreshing and it smells so good. You should really try it if you haven't. And that is it for this makeup look. I think this look is so easy and so quick, and it's just the perfect amount of makeup to put on when you want to be wearing some, but you don't want to spend so much time on it. If you guys like this video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel because I will be posting more videos every single week. Bye guys!